Hi, my name is Tay. I'm the manager of the Boon Dee Thai BBQ restaurant. It's kind of like Thai style barbecue, so we provide grill and the hot pot all together. And it's been 3 years for our restaurant right now. It's really unique flavors, and Thai style marinade meat is really awesome. Want you guys to come try it.
Hi, I'm Mark Freeman for Flavors of America. We are in Fresh Meadows, Queens, and we're at the legendary restaurant called Boon Dee Moo Ka Ta, which is, actually I should ask you, chef.
It's very unusual here in New York. It's Thai grill with hot pot sort of around it. It's like a moat of hot pot. We're on the grill. The food is fantastic. It's a lot of fun.
So what is hot pot?
Well, traditionally hot pot, I believe, is more like Chinese Beijing. It's like a big sort of cauldron, and you can have your choice of mild to very spicy soups. And you basically order all kinds of sliced meats and seafood and vegetables, and you sort of dunk it and you eat it.
So I'm here with Jonathan Forgash with the Queens Together. Jonathan, tell me a little bit about what is Queens Together.
So we're a food relief organization here in Queens. We do something a little unique. We partner with restaurants and community groups to feed people in need. So what that might mean is we're in a Thai community. We find out from the local temple that there's a bunch of grandmas in need. We'll find a couple of Thai restaurants in the neighborhood, and we will fund them to do culturally appropriate fresh made meals or groceries for the families at home. It really helps that Queens is the most diverse borough in the entire world, right? I think over 180 countries are represented, over 300 languages. So what that means is, when we found out that there was a shelter housing Venezuelan and Salvadorian migrants during COVID in South Queens, we teamed up with the oldest Salvadorian restaurant in New York City, Recon Salvadorina, to prepare meals for the moms and babies staying at the shelter. Tibetan group in Jackson Heights, Elmhurst, and when they told us that there was a bunch of families that were really underserved, really in need, we found Tibetan and Nepali restaurants to feed the families the food.
I love talking, it's been really interesting, but I gotta get my eat on, I'm starving.
Come with me. All right. Grab a plate. So this is all raw. You're going to grab whatever you like.
Right. Do I take a couple plates?
No, start with one.
One, okay.
But you'll see, oh, actually, come here.
All right.
So all this is seafood.
Right.
All this is meats.
Okay.
Right, and it tells you pork belly.
Dude, I'm so old.
Right.
All over this.
This is what goes in the outside.
Right. Oh, in the trough.
Okay. Yep. And that stuff goes on the flat top. So you can even get noodles. And then after we do that,
Right.
we have to do dipping sauces, which is a whole other thing. So
what's the process? I mean,
So this is similar to hot pot, right? So you take your
how
container.
many visits does it take to become an expert?
10.
Okay.
I don't know. It's a lot to try, and there's only the three of us today.
Right.
So basically, you just sort of make a sauce. Like you like a little spicy, a little vinegary. Nothing is bad. It's all delicious.
No, I can smell it. I mean,
Right?
the aroma is unbelievable, and it's all kind of mixed together. I'm going to follow your lead because I don't know where.
You pick the meats and seafoods.
Okay.
I'll grab the vegetables. I'll make
Okay.
the sauce.
Okay, great.
All right. Take your spoon, do this, and make it like these. What do they call that ground meat? It's either Krapow, K-R-A-P-O-W, or K-A-P-O-W. love this place. The food is fantastic. It's a nice experience.
Oh, the place was phenomenal. This was new for me. I never had the cooking and the hot pot. For Flavors of America, I'm Mark.
I'm Jonathan.
Thank you so much for watching.
Good night.